Hello children, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine. Children, in previous class we have finished 11 bits about our likes and dislikes. I told you to write answer of your own. Did you write that answer? What you like and what you dislike? Yes, two things I told you to write now correctly. Okay, I told you to write your homework also. Fill in the blanks and short answer. Have you written your work? Yes? Okay. Now take out short answer questions. Take out short answer questions. 12th one. Okay? 12th one. 7th page, children. Okay. Why do some people not include garlic or egg in their food? Say me the answer. Why do some people not include garlic or egg in their food? Anybody, any guesses? What is the answer? Due to the smell. Okay. You can write the answer. Some people do not include garlic or egg in their food because they may dislike the smell. That's all. They may dislike the smell. Okay children, 13th question. Name any two things you do not like to do. You can say any two things. Yes. I do not like to dance and swing. I do not like to dance and sing. You can write your own thing which you do not like. Okay. I do not like to swim or I do not like to see movie or anything. Your wish, whatever you want, you can write. Now this is the answer. I do not like to dance and sing. Okay children? Next. Which of the following will your parents not allow you to eat often? Out of 4, what is the thing which your father and mother will not allow you to eat more? A. Apple. B. Candy. C. Dal and rice. D. Dosa. Which one? Your mother and father will not allow you to eat. Answer is candy. What is the answer? Candy. Because it is much sugar item, no? Candy is sweet. So you should not eat much more. You have to eat apple, dal and rice and dosa. Okay? Candies you should not eat very often. Every often you should not eat candies. Okay children? Often means what? Every now and then. Okay? Next. 15th one. For which of the following will your parents say no? Out of these 4, your parents will say for which? Don't do that or don't eat. What is the answer? A. Fighting. Eating fruits. Reading and writing. Cycling. What is the answer? Your mother and father will tell don't do like that. What is that answer? Will they tell you to not to eat fruits? No. Will they tell you to not to read and write? No. Will they tell you not to cycling? No. Then what is the answer? A. A is the answer. Fighting. You should not do fighting. Okay? Next. Cross the activities from the following which Vinit should not do even if he likes them. Cross the activities from the following which Vinit should not do even if he likes them. Eating burgers, running across the road, cycling. What's the answer? You should not do that. What is the answer? What you should not do, that one you should keep into mark. Cross. Okay? A. Eating burgers and running across the road. You should not eat many. For which of the following will your parents say no? Out of 4, what your parents will say no? What's the answer? A. Fighting. Okay. Next, short answer questions. Cross the activities from the following which Vinay should not do, even if he likes them. He likes to eat burgers, but he should not eat. Yes? He likes to run across the road, but he should not run because any vehicle will come. Isn't it? We should be very careful while we cross the road. Okay, children? Next one. Now you have to keep cross mark in A and B activities. A and B. A and B cross mark you have to keep. Okay? Given below are some activities we may like to do. Parents may not allow us to do some of them. What are those two activities? Given below are some activities we may like to do. Always we like to do. But our parents will not allow us to do some. Why? First one, eating lot of chocolates. Yes, we like chocolates. We are fond of chocolates, isn't it? But we should not eat. Our parents will say you should not eat more. Okay? Playing in the rain. Playing in the rain. We like no, but we should not play in the rain. Okay? Reading books. They will never say to not to read, isn't it? And drawing. They will not avoid you to draw. You can draw, isn't it? So what are the two things you have to take? First A bit and B bit. Okay? A and B you have to tick. Okay, children? Is it clear? Okay. You have to do your work, your book part, and then your homework is you have to buy a birthday gift. Okay, you have to buy a birthday gift for one of your classmates. How will you find out what gift you have to buy? How will you find out that? What gift you have to buy? Okay, for him or her. Draw the picture of the gift which you are going to present. You have to draw a gift in the blank. Box is there now. In the box you have to draw the gift. Gift box or gift, anything what you want to present. Okay. Draw the picture of a gift he or she may like to have. What do your friend like? That gift you have to draw in the box. Okay. That only will give present, no? Yes, that is a homework to this. Okay. Now all of you write down from the board. Afterwards we will read. Okay. Okay, children, all of you keep your fingers in your workbook, 12th question. Okay, and read along with me. Okay, WHYY, DO do, SOME some, PEOPLE people, NOT not, INCLUDE include, GARLIC garlic, or EGG egg, in, THEIR they, FOOD food. Why do some people not include garlic or egg in their food? Answer. Some people, S-O-M-E, some, P-E-O-P-L-E, people, D-O, do, and what is not, do not, I-N-C-L-U-D-E, include, G-A-R-L-I-C, garlic, O-R, or, E-G-G, egg, garlic or egg, I-N, in, T-H-E-I-R, they, F-O-O-D, food, because, P-E-C-A-U-S-E, because, T-H-E-Y, they, M-A-Y, may, D-I-S-L-I-K-E, dislike, T-H-E, the, S-M-E-L-L, smell. Some people, answer is there in the question itself. Up till this food, you can write full answer there. See, some people do not include garlic or egg in their food because they may dislike the smell. You have to add this, they may dislike the smell. That's all. Next one. N-A-M-E, name, A-N-Y-N-E, T-W-O-2, T-H-I-N-G-S, things, Y-O-U-U, D-O, do, and O-T, not, do not, L-I-K-E, like, T-O-2, D-O, do. Name any two things you do not like to do. Answer. I do not, I, D-O, do, and O-T, not, I do not, like, L-I-K-E, like, T-O-2, D-A-N-C-E, dance, A-N-D, and S-I-N-G, sing. I do not like to dance and swing. Dance and sing. Next, 14th one. W-H-I-C-H, which, O-F, of, T-H-E, the, F-O-L-L-O-W-I-N-G, following, W-I-L-L, will, Y-O-U-R, your, P-A-R-E-N-T-S, parents, N-O-T, not, A-L-L-O-W, allow, Y-O-U-U, T-O-2, E-A-T-E, O-F-T-E-N, often. Which of the following will your parents not allow you to eat often? Answer. Candy. C-A-N-D-Y, candy. Next one. The F-O-R for W-H-I-C-H, which, O-F, of, T-H-E, the, F-O-L-L-O-W-I-N-G, following, W-I-L-L, will, Y-O-U-R, your, P-A-R-E-N-T-S, parents, S-A-Y, say, N-O, no. For which of the following will your parents say no? Answer is A. Fighting. F-I-G-H-T-I-N-G, fighting. Next one. Short answers. 16th. C-R-O-S-S, cross, T-H-E, the, A-C-T-I-V-I-T-I-E-S, activities, F-R-O-M, from, T-H-E, the, F-O-L-L-O-W-I-N-G, following, W-H-I-C-H, which, V-I-N-I-T, Vinith, S-H-O-U-L-D, should, N-O-T, not, D-O, do. Cross the activities from the following which Vinith should not do. Even, E-V-E-N, even, I-F, if, H-E, he, L-I-K-E-S, likes, T-H-E-M, them. Okay? Cross the activities from the following which Vinith should not do, even if he likes them. What is the answer? A and B, you have to cross. Okay? Eating burgers and running across the road. You have to cross them in the box. Okay, next. 17th one. G-I-V-E-N, given, B-E-L-O-W, below, R-A-R-E-R, S-O-M-E, some, A-C-T-I-V-I-T-I-E-S, activities, W-E-V, M-A-Y, may, L-I-K-E, like, T-O-2, D-O, do. Given below are some activities we may like to do. Parents, P-A-R-E-N-T-S, parents, may, may, not, may not, allow, allow, us, to, do, to do, some of them, some, of, them, some of them, tick, such, such, activities, act, tis, activities. Okay. A, eating a lot of chocolate stick. Okay. Playing in the rain. That's all. Given below are the some activities we may like to do. Parents may not allow us to do some of them. Take such activities. A and B. Okay. So, next. What did I tell you? This is your homework. Higher order thinking question is your homework. What you have to do? You have to draw a diagram of a gift. What your friend like and what you are wishing to present to him or her. Okay? That's your homework. Okay, children? Thank you. Have a